is a 2004 Pontiac Vibe, sprayed with the Speedokote Glamour Clear High Solids. Did an excellent job. This is haze Super Flake with a black base coat. The haze Super Flake was mixed in with a binder, 50-50 with reducer, sprayed over the black base coat, followed up by the Speedokote High Solids Clear Coat, the Glamour Clear Coat. I'll choose this right next to House of Colors any day. Look at the DOI in this. No polishing, no wet sanding at all. It's been done yet. It changes 8 different colors. There's no sun out right now, but you should see it with the sunlight hitting it. It's amazing. (740-233-8841). We're offering specials and the best prices you'll find anywhere in the country. We also do custom car audio systems, fiberglass enclosures, and all types of custom paint jobs: candy, flake, pearls, flip-flop, metallic, base coat, clear coat, single stage enamel. You won't beat our prices or our quality of work. Have a good one. It's prestigious innovation development. We also build custom drones, quadcopters, and UAVs. Have a good one.